In order to perform the drop jump, have the selected athlete stand on a box directly behind the plates with their hands firmly attached to their hips. When the athlete is in position, select drop jump from the test options on the bottom of the screen. Make sure to accurately measure the box height and input into the drop height box. If there is no body weight automatically registered in the body weight box, weigh the athlete and input manually. The test is now ready to begin. Instruct the athlete to remain still. Press the play button on the bottom right of the screen. On the beep and flash, cue the athlete to step out level to the box and drop to the plates, jumping as high and as quick as possible, landing back on the plates. After the test is complete, press stop or allow it to auto-collect. On the test results screen, analyze and save. Repeat the test for as many times as needed.